Hi guys, welcome to Kingston Place. This is located in Sikatuna Village, Quezon City. Meron itong 2-car garage. Ito guys, 4-story po siya. 4 bedroom. Ito po ay ito ang den. Meron po siyang powder room dito sa ground floor. And also storage. We have a senior's bedroom with toilet and bath din siya. Meron pong itong lanay. Let's go to second floor. Dito sa second floor guys, meron bedroom din, bedroom 1 with toilet and bath. Also yung living, dining, kitchen. Dito rin yan makikita sa second floor. Ayan guys, si Kuya Larry po yan. Siya yung caretaker po natin dito. Guys, punta po tayo sa third floor. Dito makikita sa third floor yung bedroom 2 with toilet and bath din siya. And also dito rin guys sa third floor yung master's bedroom. Ayan guys. With balcony po yung guys yung third floor and also sa second floor. Dito sa master's bedroom, meron po tayong walk-in closet. So ayan guys, punta tayo sa 4th floor. Dito sa 4th guys is ito na yung roof deck. Maliwalas po yung unit guys. Dito naman sa roof deck, makikita naman natin yung maid's room. Yung maid's room po natin merong toilet and bath. And also dito sa roof deck, meron din siyang service area. Yun guys. Yun. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully bisita niyo po yung channel ko. Thank you.